Hello, welcome to Matt Black Mix Workshop. I know it's been a while since the previous episode. I just want to show you what I've actually been up to in the last couple of months. I acquired another small block Chevy engine for my GMC truck. This one's one of the later Vortec truck only engines, so as you can see it's going to need quite a bit of work to get it going. General usual mess in the shop. The hoist is here because I had to use it to move my latest acquisition, which is this. For those who don't know what they're looking at, this is a metal planer, and metal planers were sort of the forerunner of the milling machine. So basically what happens is a single point tool will be held in this position. The mechanism to hold it's missing at the moment, and this table here moves backwards and forwards. You can feed the cutting tool across. On some of the better machines you'll be able to feed the tool down as well, so you could cut down the side of a workpiece. There's no maker's name on this machine, but I believe from doing some research that it is probably by a British maker called Tom Senior, who offered this machine. This is a hand crank machine. On the end of this shaft there's a slot for what would have been approximately 18-inch long, 2-foot long handle to actually hand crank this and wind the table backwards and forwards. This machine also appears to be able to take a belt drive for electric motor of some description. There isn't one fitted to it. What you can see is what I actually got. There's obviously several bits missing off this machine which we're going to have to deal with, but the fact is that it was absolutely dirt cheap. It was less than an hour away from me, and I could see that, you know, it just needed rescuing. And the guy said to me when I went to look at it, he said he could have sold it 20 times over with the amount of interest he's had. But this is quite a big restoration job. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. The cross slide actually moves. If we turn the hand crank, you can see that the cross slide with the two holder on actually moves pretty freely, and that feels okay. Same can't be said of the table. That's not moving backwards and forwards at the moment. Anyway, not to worry about that. Quick update on the vehicles. It's a bit windy out here. I've fitted a new timing belt kit and water pump to the Volvo, which is now back up and running, although I've not actually used it yet. The truck, just go around the front of that. It's even windy.